everyone, welcome back to Katarina's Garage. My name is Katarina Lloyd, and as you can see, I'm not on camera at the moment, but we're doing another point of view drive. This time I am actually in Stitch, which I've never done a point of view drive in this. I got another mount, which this one's actually attached to the windshield. I might change that because it does have an adapter for the dash, so we'll see. But you know, as you can see, we're driving in Stitch here, and on a lovely day. I mean, it's not extremely warm. It looks like it might rain, but you know, hey, at least it's not snow or anything like that. So yeah, we're just driving along here. You guys might recognize this area. This is, you know, I did a point of view driving out here before, except for the last time, I didn't actually get you guys the shot that I wanted to get you guys of down at the riverbed. So with that in mind, at Davidson Park. So with that in mind, we are going to actually hit there, and I'm going to show you guys this beautiful site. If you follow my Instagram, you will have seen little bits of this, but apologies guys. Yeah, something caught my throat. Anyways, yeah, so, you know, we're just headed out here. You do have to watch out for animals, but I mean, like, look at the scenery around here. Because last time I did this, I think it was still winter time. So now that it's spring, you know, that it's a lot better. Apologies, I have to pin it to get up this hill here. This thing really is a gutless wonder. Like, depending on the size of the hill, I pin it, and I might be gaining like a kilometer an hour every 500 meters or so. I really can't wait for the new head, the intake, the carburetor, whenever I get the cam, the exhaust, all that stuff. It'll be absolutely fantastic. Because today, actually, with any luck, Pat will be coming up with the head and intake, so fingers crossed. Today is Wednesday, May the 5th. And also, you know, it's Revenge of the 5th. So, for any Star Wars nerds out there, I just hope this is a steady enough footage, because I'm not exactly happy with the stabilization of the camera when it comes to this new phone. Because on Stitch, on my Huawei P20, it was much better, but this is a Galaxy A52. The image is much more crisp, but the stabilization is worse. So I'll have to figure that out more. And hey, look at that! Looks like Rosewood's open. That's cool. A friend of mine has a trailer in there for the summertime. It's really nice. I've been there once or twice. Cool guy, older guy, but you know, I think he's about as old as my dad, if not potentially older, but that's fine. I get along with people of all ages, so as long as you're not creepy and you're, you know, good to be around. Ooh, I just spotted a needle that looked like a Galaxy or a Fairline. I'll have to whip around and take a look at that again. And somewhere up here, about a month ago, there was a Camaro for sale too, but not too sure. You know, on the right side, you'll see, if you pause the camera right about now and zoom in, you'd see well, you can still see it. It's a 55 or 56 two-door hardtop, you know, non-post. And it's been sitting there for like 2 or 3 years, like that. I'm not sure what their plans are with it or anything like that. That is a professional body shop. When my dad hit a couple of deer, it was repaired there a couple of times, actually. I think he replaced that freaking front headlight on that gray Magnum twice. You know, the same headlight. Can never hit the other side, so you can get a new headlights on both sides, make it look really nice. But you know, for whatever reason, Sir Crunch-A-Lot, as I called him, and that car was a guy, yeah, because Sir Crunch-A-Lot, was an 06 Magnum SXT all-wheel drive. It was gray. And on a honestly, great car. I liked it. Never really gave us any bad issues, although the blower motor connection did catch on fire once. So there was that whole thing, which was fun. You know, we were sitting in it, and we had connected the blower motor back together again with the cable, and then all of a sudden me and my dad are smelling smoke, and sure as shit, it was smoking from there. So it's just like we quickly turned off the vehicle and unplugged it. And that was the day we were actually going to get another cable for it. Okay, so it looks like the guy sold the Camaro, and now he has actually something that a couple of my friends might be interested in. That was a quad cab, probably F250 or F350 from the 70s. I didn't take a look at the grill, so I couldn't tell what exact year it was, but maybe on the way back I will take a look at that, because hey, that could be, I know people that might be interested in that. So yeah, I don't have the money to buy it and resell it, but you know, it's all good. I don't see any of their stuff ever advertised, so it's just like, are they just on the side of the road? Like, are they, you know, just advertising that way and hoping to get a buyer, or what? I don't know. Because there was a late 70s Z28, I want to say it was a 79 Z28 Camaro sitting there. That was a beater, but you know, it looked to be pretty decent shape, and there's the control arm again. So now you guys get to hear my point of view on this. What is this? Road construction paving. Okay. That's fine. I know this road was completely tore up down here anyway, so yeah, it still is tore up, but there's nobody working here. So, as we can see, coming down here, right? You know, when they actually fix this road, it'll be nice, but it's just a freaking mess at the moment. But one of my favorite spots around, and it's just so wonderful to be over here, is right down in here at Davidson. Davidson Park, right? Take a look, and you'll see why once I park up. It's a little bit of a steep hill, so you do have to be careful. Like if it rained, for example, you do have to be careful with that hill a little bit. But, yeah, control arm, I get it. And let's just park up right here. Okay, let's take this. Be very careful taking this out. There we go. Okay, I have to hold it like this. Now have a look at this. Right? Look at how beautiful this is. And honestly, I love it down here, right? It's so gorgeous. And if you just need time, like if you just want to relax, this is a spot to do it. There's not really a picnic table here, but I guess either somebody stole it or what. I don't know. Maybe it's down the path somewhere too, because people will do that as well. But, yeah, anyways. Again, this is just, you know, a quick little point of view video, because I haven't done one of these in a while. And one of my favorite spots is Davidson Park out of Bergen, Alberta. So, you know, if you want to hit up this area, it's gorgeous. Anyways, hope you're staying safe during COVID-19. Good luck with whatever you're working on. And as well, if you have a vehicle or a collection of vehicles that I can film, please let me know, because I would love to come film them. You can contact me at katarina's.garage on Instagram or Katarina's Garage on Facebook as well. And yeah, anyways, I'll catch you all in the next video. Bye! Pikachu!